Good morning, teachers. Good morning, friends. Good morning, everybody. Today, we are going to tell our plans after our graduation from grade 6. But before that, let us introduce ourselves first. My name is Alvin.
My name is Rahar.
My name is Asadi. My name is Tati. My name is Riktam.
My name is Raina.
Hope you all enjoy. First, I'm going to start first. Like I said, I'm Alvin and I'm going to tell you my plans after graduation from grade 6. So before starting off, I would like to personally thank Miss Mesda for teaching grade 6 English. Also like to say that your teaching is excellent and it really helps us build a starting point for learning English in the future. Now, my plans after graduation is to become a better person. You may ask, what makes me a better person? Well, first of all, is confidence, which is something I lacked in these past years, and I would like to change that. Secondly, is leadership. I would like to lead my given team to success. I lack the ability to make others listen to me. And I hope in the future I could change that and I could improve myself to become a better person. And also in the very far future and achieve my dream of becoming a programmer. Now, third is spending time with my family, especially my mom, my dad, and my two dogs. One of them is named Alpha, and the other is Justin. And I would like to spend more time with my mom and dad, because now I like to hang out with my friends more than with my family. That's all my plans after graduation. Thank you everybody for listening.
My plans after graduating from elementary school. Good morning, respected Principal, Mr. Nugroho, teachers, and all my friends. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Edna Sagidharma Putri from class 6A. Today, I would like to present my plans after graduating from elementary school. Hope you enjoy my plans. My first plan after graduating from elementary school is to continue my studies at Yosudarso Garut Junior High School. I'm very happy to move on to a higher level of education and experience new things. However, on the other hand, I also feel sad because I have to leave the school where I have studied for 6 years. I also feel quite sad because some of my friends will move to public school or move to other cities. My second plan after graduating from elementary school is to become a better person. I want to study harder, become a more honest person, grow closer to God, reduce the time I spend on my phone, help my parents more often, and be more enthusiastic about studying and doing my homework. My third plan after graduating from elementary school is to exercise more regularly and practice basketball more often. I also want to improve my basketball skills so that I can become better in the future. Even though I often feel tired, I will keep trying to be more diligent and work harder in the future. That is all for my presentation. I apologize if there were many mistakes in my presentation. Thank you for your attention.
Good morning, Ms. Nasta and friends. My name is Rafael. Now we will present about my plan after graduating for elementary school. After the school holidays, It seems like I will go on holiday or stay at home. I will look for a stable school to go to and my parents' school SMP1 to go to school. I will stand SMP1 because I want to expand my circle of friends. Not necessarily friends who are the same but that expand my social connections in learning. Also by exercising my friends in school, a new atmosphere, new exception. Also subject will move up from elementary to secondary level. In this expression, friends will be easy wide connection in friendship with also strengthening that will be interaction harder after starting junior high school. My parents wanted to give me more motivation to that I could study more and visit me not to follow the wrong friend and to when get a better education so that I could enter again more easily because of my achievement and grades. If it's my holiday, I want to go to on a vacation and there staying on my home or going out. Going on a vacation outside at two river stories, staying at home and prepare to next grade, going to a random place, such adventure of going out. Activities before school holiday, studying to move up the grade, study tutorial that expand new knowledge, learning and deeply about the material activities with confidence. Thank you.
Good morning, Miss Nesda and everyone. Now I will present my plans after graduating from elementary school. Hello, my name is Raina. Son, I will grade from 6th grade at Yosdarso Elementary School, Garut. I will continue junior high school. I will at Yosdarso Junior High School, Garut. I can't wait to grade by I am also sad because I have to part with my friend. Now 6th grade but now I have to part with my friend. I will start with uniform not red, white, and but white blue. After my sixth grade exam, I will holiday to Yogyakarta with my family, and I was very happy because my sixth grade exam very over. But I am sad because I had to part with my friend. Thank you.
Angpau dari kamu mana? Sudah dibuka, sudah dibuka.
Good morning, Mr. Sai and friend. My name is Nick Tam. I will invite my friend. My name is Nick Tam. I will start drive of elementary school to junior high school. After my friends morning, I will go to SMP 1 Garut. I will host going holiday and I am playing in the factory in Bandung with my family after the lockdown. I will be look for new friend at my junior high school. Thank you, Mr. Scott.
Well, that's all of our plans after graduation. I hope you all enjoy our plans. Thank you everybody for listening.